Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. And today we are going to discuss how to generate the line chart in Tableau. So for this, we will go in the environment of Tableau. In Tableau, the variables are divided into two zones. So this is the zone of dimension and this is the zone of measures. Basically, dimensions are those variables which are categorical in nature. Measures are those variables which are continuous. So I'll pick up one measure and one dimension. So order date, we want to create the line chart, I will pick up order date from here and sales from here. Drag it and drop it in the canvas. Click on show me, activate the line chart. Line chart is ready. So this is an aggregate sales. If I want the sales to be bifurcated according to the segment, I'll pick up the segment from here and drop it in the column. Now we will have three line charts. Click on show me. Blue color is for consumer, orange is for corporate, red is for home office. Now, if I want to include one more dimension, say for example, segment or the category, I'll simply drag it and drop it in the rows. And now I'll have three line charts. Furniture category, it's sales, and the color represents the segment. So this is when we are having dimension. I'll again drag it and drop it here. Now, if we are having a measure, what you can do? You can pick up the measure from here and you can drop it in the size. So the thickness of the line represents the profit. If the line is thick, it means that the profits are high. See, you can see here. And if the line is thin, the profits are low. So it's like a wafer thin margin. Now in this year, when you will open this box, you will get year, quarter, month, day. Similarly, it will be repeated again, but there is a difference, big difference is there. See, when I click on quarter here, it will do the aggregation of all the quarters and there will be only 4 observation points. There is a summation of Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. Let me click here. And you can see Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. I'll click on entire view. Now, if I want to represent some numbers here, for example, profit, I'll pick up and drop it in the label and the numbers are represented. So this is an aggregation of Q1 quarter, Q2, Q3 and Q4. Again, I'll drag it. I'll activate the drop down menu. And now if I click on this quarter, it will give me the output according to 2018 first quarter, 2018 second quarter, 2018 third quarter, 2018 fourth quarter. Similarly, 19 first, second, third, fourth quarter, 20 first, second, third, fourth quarter. Now see, if I click on month here, it will be the aggregate of January, February, March. You can see here. But if I click on this one, it will be according to the time scale. That is May 2018, June 2018, July 2018. This is also according to the month, but the aggregation will not be done. Aggregation will be done in this case. So this is the way you can generate the line chart in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos of Tableau. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the like button.